This is a little short that I hope it says. It's called Kindred. Kindred, spirit sharing the gene of the word nerd. Kismet, two loners in language finding camaraderie in poetry. Flames, linked by a passionate spirit to the salvation of self-expression. He came with a fire in his heart, truth on his tongue, and cut me with his cosmic sword, cleaving away the fog of an ordinary life. This unassuming man with a gentle spirit that carried with it all the power of pure silence, where truth and healing abide. With that cosmic sword, that surgical instrument of the sacred word, he incised his way into my heart and divorced me from my depression, leaving the impression of his magical expression. Like the caduceus wielded by Hermes, his words weave their way around the staff of life carried by this modern-day messenger, reminding us that lying deep within each of us, beneath all the masks and costumes, beneath all of the shields and false persona, beneath all of the lies about ourselves that we tell to ourselves, is a desire that we all have to be seen, known, and loved. Locke, my friend, I see you. I know who you are. I love you. And because we are kindred, we will always be connected.